Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal using an easy method. First, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your preferred liquid, like water or milk, in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Then, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the oats are creamy and have absorbed most of the liquid. This simple approach ensures a perfectly cooked bowl every time. For a super quick breakfast, the microwave method is fantastic. Just combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of liquid in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat on high for 1 to 2 minutes, pausing halfway to give it a good stir. Be careful, as it can boil over. Once done, let it stand for about 1 minute to thicken up. This is ideal for busy mornings when you need a warm, satisfying meal in a flash. If you love to prep ahead, overnight oats are your best friend. Simply mix 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of milk or yogurt in a jar or container. You can also add your favorite toppings now, like chia seeds or fruit. Cover it tightly and refrigerate overnight, or for at least 8 hours. The oats will soften beautifully without any cooking, giving you a ready-to-eat breakfast in the morning. Now for the fun part, customizing your oatmeal. Elevate the flavor with a pinch of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract, or a swirl of maple syrup. For natural sweetness, add fresh berries, sliced bananas, or dried fruit. Boost the protein and healthy fats with a sprinkle of nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. The possibilities are endless, making every bowl uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.